Nawr te, amser Hwiangerdd.
Hwiangerdd.
Oedd gen ti hoff Hwiangerdd pan o ti'n blentyn, neu wyt ti'n cofio falle dy dad yn canu i ti?
Mae hynna'n gwneud fi fynd i gysgu.
Ydy, o. Well, they're so important,
There is method to your madness, isn't it?
Of course, achos mae'n bwysig i rhieni, for parents, i ganu rhai o Hwiangerddi yma i'r plant, dysgu geiriau newydd, rhythm y geiriau, dysgu gyda nhw. Maen nhw'n bwysig iawn. They are very important. Now then, the one I got here, Hei Lwli. Now this is a lullaby, yeah. Hei Lwli, mabi, Hei Lwli, my baby, yeah? Mae'r llong yn mynd I ffwrdd. The boat is going away. It's sailing away, okay?
Yeah.
Hei Lwli, mabi, mae'r capten ar y bwrdd. The captain's
on the boat.
On the boat, thank goodness. Nawr ten, Hei Lwli, Lwli, lws. Cysga, Cysga, mabi, tlws. You can sing this to me as baby.
Oh, I could, yeah.
Iawn. Hei Lwli, mabi, mae'r llong yn mynd I ffwrdd. So you can feel the rhythm of this song, can't you?
Feel the rhythm.
We're going to have a go. A mae croeso I chi ymuno, cofiwch?
So what does Hei Lwli mean then?
Well, it doesn't mean anything in particular. It's Hei Lwli, like Lwli, lullaby, the name of the song.
Oh, okay.
Hei Lwli.
Will you sing a verse for me then, so I know what the tune is?
Oh, okay, then I'll sing it, as long as you sing it with me afterwards.
Promise.
Okay, iawn. Okay. Hei Lwli, mabi, mae'r llong yn mynd I ffwrdd. Hei Lwli, mabi, mae'r capten ar y bwrdd. Hei Lwli, Lwli, lws. Cysga, Cysga, mabi, tlws. Hei Lwli, mabi, mae'r llong yn mynd I ffwrdd.
That was great.
Something
that's
like
all we
okay?
need. I think that's all
now
we
then.
need today. No,
you have to sing it with me now.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes. See if it works.
These poor guests.
Okay, now then.
We're doing it
Come
for
on,
free as
one
well.
more time. Anyone can join in. Now, okay?
Yeah, you all at home, please don't leave me hanging on this.
Efo ni.
Cue the karaoke words now. Hei Lwli, mabi, mae'r llong yn mynd I ffwrdd. Hei Lwli, mabi, mae'r capten ar y bwrdd. Hei Lwli, Lwli, lws. Means nothing.
Cysga, Cysga, mabi, tlws. Hei Lwli, mabi, mae'r llong yn mynd I ffwrdd.
Never been so embarrassed.
It's worked, I think.
It's worked?
Well, it's
Oh,
well, I woke
Edrych.
up just to thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, nice nap. Diolch yn fawr.
Nice nap.
I'm glad you slept well. And while Mari sleeps, get your pens out, because it's digwyddiadau'r time.
It's a
digwyddiadau'r time.
yeah.
All the information that you will need to ymarfer your Cymraeg. Gwyliwch o hwn.